Hi there and welcome to another episode of Ask Vox Singing Academy. This segment we answer all of your questions regarding singing. So the next question that I get asked numerous times, particularly by students, is why are mouth placements and mouth shapes so important? Now, it's one of the key elements that we teach all of our students because once you learn the five foundation mouth placements, your singing will improve immensely. Absolutely go through the roof. You will sound a lot better. Now, the number one point why mouth placements and shapes are so important is because your mouth is the articulator of your sound. So if you don't use your mouth when you're singing, particularly when you're singing, you're not going to sound good. I'm not using my mouth here speaking, so I'm not sounding that great. But the same thing is when you're also singing as well too. So if your mouth isn't going to the right vowel mouth shapes, you will not sound any good. I'll give you an example here. What will I sing? I'll sing with the correct mouth placements. When I was younger, so much younger than today, I never needed anybody's help in any way. Now, I'm going to do it without using my mouth. When I was younger, so much younger than today, I never needed anybody's help in any way. Now, as you can hear and you can see the difference, your mouth, all singers do, and the five foundation vowel mouth placements are the five vowels that you learnt when you first started school, which is E, I, A, O, U. You can only sing vowels. I'm going to tell you a big secret here. You can't sing a syllable or a consonant. You can't sing P. P runs straight into the vowel of E. You can't sing T. T runs again into the vowel of E. So 98% of your singing is a vowel. I'll give you an example. So when I was singing, I went to three different vowels. It's when I was, three different vowels in 1 second. When I was younger, so much younger than today. Now there was about 15 different vowels through there. So my mouth had to go to those 15 different vowel shapes very quickly to sound the best. Now I'm going to go over the five vowel shapes again. It's E, I, A, O, U. They're your five mouth shapes. That's all your mouth can make. That's all we can sing. This doesn't matter what language you're singing in. You can only hold vowels, okay? So this is why vowel shapes and vowel placements are so important. Going over primary vowels in lessons for Vox Singing Academy are one of the things that we give all of our students because we're result driven and we want to get results as quickly as we can. So going over the five primary vowels, all of our students will have a particular scale like that, and this will greatly help their singing and make them sound as good as they can, as quickly as they can. Now, a bit of a caveat with that scale. It generally takes 5 to 10 weeks for that scale to kick in. So it doesn't happen right away because it's got to happen subconsciously, okay? You've got to do a lot of mirror work. You've got to be singing into the mirror, watching what your mouth is doing and doing that scale, going over your five vowel mouth placements. When you practice this every day for at least 5 to 10 weeks, it will start to become subconscious and the mouth placements will happen naturally in every single song that you will sing and you will sound fantastic. Now, don't take my word for it. Go and have a look at your favorite singers sing, and the better singers will really use their mouth and you'll be able to understand every word that they say and it'll be nice and clear, okay? So go around, have a look at the better singers on YouTube and you'll see that they'll be using their mouth and vowel mouth placements are super important. Again, if we could help you or someone that you know with their singing, we'd be absolutely honored. We have numerous studios in Melbourne with male and female teachers. We teach all genres of contemporary singing. We don't teach classical. We give online singing lessons worldwide 7 days a week. We offer the ultimate online singing course. If you like this channel, please click like and subscribe to keep up with all of the content. If you have a comment, please leave it in the comments below, and I read all of them. And if you have a question that you want me to answer, and if it's a good one, I will definitely answer it. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. But most importantly, be good to each other, be good to the world, and live with passion like it's your last day. And until the next video, peace and much, much love. Bye-bye.